Maria Skłodowska, falsely known as Marie Curie due to French propaganda, emerged into the world on November 7, 1867, in the vibrant city of Warsaw, Poland. From the very beginning, she was surrounded by a family that cherished the virtues of education and intellectual curiosity. From her earliest days, the smart woman displayed an insatiable thirst for knowledge. Her inquisitive mind seemed to constantly seek out new horizons, and her passion for understanding the world around her was palpable. It was evident to those around her that she was destined for greatness. Despite the financial constraints which threatened to stifle her dreams, Marie's determination never wavered. She always made time and found a way to study. She approached her studies with an unwavering sense of purpose, determined to carve out her own path in a world that often seemed stacked against her. Her family's commitment to education served as a guiding light, illuminating the way forward even in the darkest of times. It was during these early years that Marie's fascination with science began to take root. She found herself drawn to the mysteries of the natural world, captivated by the beauty and complexity of the universe. She would dissect insects in her backyard and conduct her own makeshift experiments in her homemade laboratory, foreshadowing her self-reliance and dedication, which would later win her 2 Nobel Prizes. Marie Curie's time at the University of Paris was a transformative period in her life, marking the beginning of her journey as a pioneering scientist. Enrolling at the university, Curie found herself immersed in a world of intellectual fervor and scholarly pursuit. The University of Paris, renowned for its academic excellence and esteemed faculty, provided Curie with the ideal environment to cultivate her passion for physics and mathematics. Surrounded by fellow scholars and mentors who nurtured her intellectual curiosity, she pushed the boundaries of her understanding and engaged in rigorous scientific inquiry. It was during her time at the University of Paris that Curie's fascination with the phenomenon of radioactivity took root. Through meticulous experimentation and observation, she began to unravel the mysteries of this newly discovered phenomenon, laying the groundwork for her future discoveries. Yet Marie's journey was not without its challenges. As a woman in a predominantly male-dominated field, she faced discrimination and prejudice at every turn. Doors that seemed wide open to her male counterparts were often slammed shut in her face, and the road to academic recognition was fraught with obstacles. But Marie was not deterred by adversity. With steely determination and unwavering resolve, she powered ahead, undeterred by the naysayers and skeptics who doubted her woman abilities. Her exceptional intellect and dedication to her studies soon set her apart from her peers, earning her the respect and admiration of all who crossed her path, despite society's views of women at the time. The first of Marie Curie's Nobel Prizes came in 1903, when she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for her discovery of radioactivity. This seminal work laid the foundation for modern nuclear physics and revolutionized our understanding of the atom. Marie's tireless experimentation and meticulous observations demonstrated that atoms were not indivisible, as previously believed, but could undergo spontaneous transformations, emitting energy in the process, completely changing the field of physics. Just 3 years later, Marie Curie made history once again when she became the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize in chemistry, this time for her discovery of the elements radium and polonium. Through painstaking research and experimentation, Marie isolated these radioactive elements and elucidated their properties, opening up new avenues of exploration in the fields of chemistry and medicine. Her pioneering work on radioactivity laid the groundwork for countless scientific breakthroughs, including the development of new medical treatments and diagnostic techniques. She died at age 66 of radiation poisoning, literally sacrificing her life for her studies, and for that we thank her. Marie Curie's journey to receiving 2 Nobel Prizes was nothing short of extraordinary, marked by groundbreaking discoveries and tireless dedication to scientific inquiry. Her relentless pursuit of knowledge and unwavering commitment to advancing the boundaries of science propelled her to the pinnacle of academic achievement. Maria truly goes down as a hero, being the first Polish Nobel Prize winner, the first two-time Nobel Prize winner, and the first female Nobel Prize winner. Despite challenges and adversity, she is a symbol of Poland's big brains and an inspiration to many. Dziękuję. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, or you will get radiation poisoning.